Guess what? I finally found a dupe of Rare Beauty blush. Yes, you heard me right. I discovered the Rare Beauty blush, which is just 1/8 of its price. So keep watching this video till the end. So on one side of my cheek, I'll be applying Rare Beauty liquid blush, which is in the shade Happy, and on the other side, I'll be applying O2O liquid blush, which is in the shade Rose Bengal. So let's just start with the Rare Beauty blush. So this blush costed me rupees 2700, and this blush is super pigmented. So let's start with it. I blend it with the help of my finger. I think 2 drops are also more since it is super pigmented. Let me just use my beauty blender to diffuse it off. 1 drop was more than enough since it has covered almost half of my cheek. So now I'll be applying Rose Bengal on my other cheek. So let's just take a pump, a small pump, and I'll blend it here, and then I directly apply it on my cheek, and then I'll blend it. So guys, this is the final result of both the blush. So this is Rare Beauty blush and this is O2O Rose Bengal blush. So this costed me 2700 and this costed me rupees 350. You can order it online on Amazon. It is available on Amazon, and yeah, the price keeps fluctuating. When I ordered it, it costed me just rupees 350. So guys, if you're not in the mood to spend 2700 on the blush, then definitely you should go and try out this blush as it is super pigmented and it will last really long, as I have used just 2 drop 1 pump and you can clearly see the result.